FZ150 shoe cleaner, foam zone 150 by the shoe doc. Does this sneaker cleaner actually work? Let's put it to the test and let's find out. This video is not sponsored. Inside the packaging, we have our brush, one brush, the cleaner, as well as another brush. Let's get to scrubbing. Let's see if we get the foam and let's get in our zone. Let's go see if we can save ourselves 150 bucks. We have to dirty up these Yeezys. I decided to come in the bathroom. It's a lot easier to clean sneakers in the bathroom. So let's get dirtying up these Yeezys. We're gonna do this with a bunch of great items. Let's start off with some chocolate syrup right on top of the Yeezy, just like that. Let's go. We're gonna dirty these up. We're gonna get these filthy, and we're really gonna put FZ150 to the test. Start off with the chocolate syrup. Next up, we got the spicy brown mustard, along with the chocolate syrup. This is gonna be nasty. But you know what? These are real items that might actually get on your sneakers. And if this does happen, well, we're gonna put FZ150 to the test. The cleaner's going viral. The guy's everywhere. Shoe doc, shout out to you, brother. He's out everywhere, so let's put it to the test and see if his product actually works. And we got the ranch. Oh man, look at that ranch. Yeah, we're making a mess here, but it's all right. We're gonna try to clean these as best as we can. Look at that, like, disaster. Next up, my favorite, we got the Chick-fil-A sauce. If you didn't get Chick-fil-A sauce from Chick-fil-A, did you even eat Chick-fil-A? But right here, let's go. Ooh, yikes. Look at that. This toe box looking nasty. The bottom of the shoe, it's getting on there. Really, really bad. But we're gonna top it off now with ketchup to end this off. Dirty these up. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit. Let it sit in there. Ooh, yeah. We're gonna let that sit in there, and we're gonna put FZ150 to the test on my Yeezys. Hopefully this does not look like this after, because if it does, I just ruined my Yeezys. But we'll put FZ150 to the test by the shoe doc. Let's see if this is going to work. Boy, I hope so, because I hope I didn't ruin my Yeezys. Let's see. If you guys haven't seen my Crep Protect video, I did the same exact shoe right here using the same exact pair. So hopefully this works. Let's see how FZ150 does. I'm gonna let these sit for a little bit, and we'll come back and let's see how this does. Please smash that like button for me for doing this. This is gross, and I know you guys are not gonna actually do this to test out a shoe product to see if it works, but I will for content. So please hit that like button and make sure you guys subscribe.
6 hours later.
It's been a few hours later, and you guys can see it really seeped into the material. Hopefully the FZ150 will clean my Yeezys. Let's put it to the test. Let's start this process. Hopefully this FZ150 can take care of these Yeezys. Let's start off with the foam, and let's get into our zone. So we do see a bunch of foam going on. I will say it's easy to very squirt out there, very easy. And we're gonna go with the black brush. It is softer. Dip it in a little bit of water, not too much, just a little bit. And let's get scrubbing. Let's get in our zone. Let's get that foam. We know we're in our zone. There is the foam. You guys can see it is doing its job there. Let's clean up these Yeezys. And let's keep scrubbing and hopefully take care of these Yeezys, because these were an absolute disaster. So far not looking great, but let's add more foam. Hopefully we could save ourselves 150 bucks with the cleaner. And there we go. You guys can see that just instantly turned it a lot whiter. So more foam definitely helped us get in the zone, and that just turned it white. That was a big difference. More foam, just like that. The FZ150 turned it from that orange, nasty color into the white, how it's supposed to be. So that looks good. Let's keep scrubbing, and let's turn these Yeezys hopefully back into new. That would be crazy. But so far, FZ150 looks like it's doing the trick. Looks like we're gonna save ourselves 150 bucks after all. Let's see how this turns out. This is great so far. Let's keep scrubbing, and let's turn these Yeezys into brand new. When you're scrubbing, you can really see a lot of foam. We're definitely in our zone. with the FZ150. I'm gonna switch over to the harder brush to really get into the material. I'm not gonna go too hard because I don't wanna fray or rip the material, but I am gonna go a little harder with the stiffer brush that they give you, just to really make sure I get into the material and really clean these Yeezys and turn them back to new. You guys can see we have a lot of foam on these. Here's the bottom of the other sneaker that we did not touch at all. So I just want to show you guys how the FZ150 will perform on maybe your outsoles. So let's go ahead and get foaming it up. And let's start scrubbing the outsole. We're gonna go back to the harder brush, a little bit of water, and let's get scrubbing. And let's see how the outsoles look with the FZ150. There's the foam, we're in our zone. And let's see if we could save ourselves 150 bucks as far as the outsole is concerned. All right, let's see what that looks like. Already looks much better, but let's go ahead and give it a nice little rinse. A little bit of water on the outsole only. Just a little bit. All right. Much better. It already looks a lot better. I can go again, but after just one little rinse there, one little session, looks much better already. I focused mainly over here on this part more than anywhere else. That's why it looks like that. I didn't really focus over here. But yeah, more so over here. Looks really good. All right, let's go back to scrubbing the uppers. They're looking better. Let's see how these are gonna turn out. Lots of foam on the sneaker. Let's give it a wipe down and let's see how it looks. And wow, holy crap. What, do you guys see that? I am speechless. What? What? Do you guys see this? All right, I'm gonna let this dry because you'll get the best results by far when it's completely dry. Obviously, it's still soaking wet, but this is crazy good already. Now, mind you, there was some stains already in the shoe. If you look at the other sneaker that we didn't even touch, there are stains already on the sneaker that are so old, they're years old, they're not gonna come out no matter what I do. But as far as all the stuff we just put on the sneaker, geez, that is absolutely crazy. All right, I'm gonna let these dry. We're gonna let these dry and we'll check the results. You guys can see they're wet and everything, but as far as stains, from what we just did, there are none. There are stains, like I said, from previous. These are old and have been through a lot, but as far as everything we just put them through, that is crazy. Let's let them dry and I'll show you guys the final results of the FZ150. This is crazy. I'm shocked. Does FZ150 really work? Yes, it does. It does actually work. The sneakers are still a little bit wet. It's only been a few hours. They're not completely dry by any means, so you guys do see it's still wet. But when this is all dried up, it's gonna look fresh as can be, all white. I don't see any stains. I just see a big wet mark because they're all wet, but no stains. All the stains are gone thanks to FZ150. Yes, it actually works. And no, this video is not sponsored. Make sure you guys check out FZ150 by the Shoe Doc. Make sure you guys check them out. It's legit. It actually works. It's a really good sneaker cleaner. Very easy to apply. There's no smell. I noticed it doesn't really have a smell to it like other companies do. So, hey, this is a great product. I give it a 9.5 out of 10. I definitely recommend checking out, well, FZ150. It just saved me 150 bucks. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.